psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious. What you find with not just neurotypicals but atypicals. Now, I'm not an expert in this area because my views are based from a self-referential, which is sort of subjective, and empirical analysis only, which is based on a sort of intersubjectivity. Or one is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
Replicate what we see when we're standing somewhere.
And motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself, you have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have